75 Interesting Facts about Mercury. Mythology and Gods. Mercury is named after the Roman god of commerce, travel, and communication, often depicted with winged sandals. The Greek equivalent of Mercury is Hermes, the swift messenger god. Hermes, Mercury, was also the god of boundaries, trade, and thievery. In Roman mythology, Mercury guided souls to the underworld, acting as a psychopomp. Mercury was also associated with eloquence, as the god of speech and persuasion. The planet's symbol combines the circle, crescent, and cross, representing spirit, mind, and matter. Mercury was known to the Sumerians as early as 3000 BC. In Babylonian mythology, Mercury was associated with Nabu, the god of wisdom and writing. In Norse mythology, the god Odin was sometimes equated with Mercury by Roman interpreters. The ancient Egyptians linked Mercury with the god Thoth, who was associated with wisdom and writing. The Chinese referred to Mercury as the hour star, connected to the water element and wisdom. Mercury, Hermes, is often shown with a caduceus, a staff with two entwined serpents, symbolizing trade and peace. In astrology, Mercury governs communication, intellect, and learning. Mercury rules two zodiac signs, Gemini, associated with communication, and Virgo, associated with analysis. The Roman god Mercury is often shown with a helmet and sandals, symbolizing his speed. Mercury's influence is considered neutral in astrology, adaptable to various energies. The planet's swift orbit, 88 days, reflects Mercury's association with speed and agility. The ancient Maya observed Mercury as part of their celestial calendar, tracking its unpredictable movement. In alchemy, Mercury represents the spirit, and is symbolized by quicksilver, or liquid mercury. The element mercury, quicksilver, is named after the planet due to its mobility and fluidity. In Hindu mythology, Mercury is associated with the planet and deity Bud, symbolizing intellect and wit. Mercury is known as the planet of merchants, due to its associations with trade and commerce. In astrology, Mercury retrograde periods are said to influence communication and travel, often causing delays or misunderstandings. As a messenger, Mercury is sometimes seen as a divine intermediary between gods and humans. The Aztecs associated Mercury with the god Tezcatlipoca, linked to magic and trickery. 26 to 50 Film and TV characters. In Sailor Moon, Sailor Mercury represents intelligence and water, reflecting Mercury's traits of wit and adaptability. In Justice League, the character Flash is inspired by Mercury's speed and is sometimes depicted with a helmet similar to Mercury's. The 1959 sci-fi movie The Angry Red Planet imagines hostile alien life on Mercury. Star Trek references Mercury as a key planet in the inner solar system, although less habitable than others. In Doctor Who, Mercury is occasionally mentioned as a planet with unique astronomical features. The Expanse TV series shows Mercury as a challenging environment due to extreme temperatures and radiation. Mercury is referenced in Transformers, where a character named Mercury is quick and calculating. In Rick and Morty, Mercury is briefly mentioned as part of the solar system's complex planetary dynamics. Futurama portrays Mercury as a mining destination, with challenges due to its proximity to the Sun. In Interstellar, the characters consider inner planets like Mercury as destinations for scientific curiosity. Men in Black references Mercury aliens, in humorous allusions to space's diversity. In Lost in Space, Mercury's extreme conditions are used to emphasize the challenges of space colonization. In Flash Gordon, Mercury is sometimes depicted as a treacherous world due to its proximity to the Sun. The video game Mass Effect includes Mercury as part of Earth's solar system, noting its uninhabitable nature. The sci-fi movie Sunshine features a mission to the Sun, with Mercury highlighted due to its close orbit. In the comic series Silver Surfer, Mercury is shown as an awe-inspiring planet with unique geological features. In Invincible Iron Man, Tony Stark's armor upgrades often feature mercurial speed and flexibility, echoing Mercury's attributes. The Dune series references Mercury's harsh conditions as an example of extreme planetary environments. The Venus Wars anime includes a brief mention of Mercury in the context of solar system exploration. The Green Lantern series includes a short story where a lantern patrols Mercury for unusual cosmic activity. Men in Black International uses Mercury's orbital extremes in discussions about Earth's protection. In Transformers Prime, there's a brief reference to Mercury as part of Cybertron's planetary surveillance. The Martian Chronicles includes a story set near Mercury, emphasizing humanity's curiosity about this inner planet. Mercury is frequently referenced in NASA-themed films, showcasing its proximity to the Sun. In Godzilla 2014, Mercury's harsh conditions are mentioned to describe Earth's habitability by contrast. 51 to 60 Comic book characters. The DC Comics character Mercury is a speedster god, part of the Justice Society of America mythos. In Marvel Comics, Hermes, Mercury's Greek counterpart, sometimes aids the Avengers in mythological quests. Sailor Mercury in Sailor Moon embodies intelligence and is often depicted with water-based powers. The character Quicksilver in Marvel Comics has Mercury-like traits, with unmatched speed and agility. In the comic Astro City, Mercury is a super-speed hero with attributes of quick wit and resourcefulness. Mercury is depicted as a godly figure in Sandman by Neil Gaiman, representing swift judgment and guidance. The Justice League Dark features Mercury in a cameo as a messenger in mystical plotlines. Kid Flash in Young Justice Comics inherits the swift Mercury-like abilities, often aiding heroes with agility. Marvel's Hercules series includes Mercury as a playful, mischievous god with a strong intellect. DC's New Gods references Mercury as part of a celestial pantheon influencing human fate. 61 to 70 Animals, Chakras, Weather, and Materials. The alchemical symbol for Mercury, Quicksilver, is associated with transformation and adaptability. In astrology, Mercury is linked to the throat chakra, governing communication and expression. Mercury's atmosphere is almost non-existent, unable to hold heat, leading to extreme temperature fluctuations. Temperatures on Mercury range from -173 degrees Celsius -280 degrees Fahrenheit at night to 427 degrees Celsius 800 degrees Fahrenheit during the day. The surface of Mercury is covered in impact craters, with Caloris Basin being one of the largest. Mercury's geological features include wrinkle ridges, formed as the planet cooled and contracted. Mercury's sky appears black due to its lack of atmosphere, with a spectacular view of the Sun. Due to its proximity to the Sun, Mercury has intense solar radiation exposure, making it uninhabitable. Mercury is composed mainly of iron, making it extremely dense, with a large metallic core. In astrology, Mercury is associated with quick thinking, adaptability, and problem-solving skills. 71 to 75 Human Anatomy and Symbolism. In anatomy, mercurial is a term sometimes used to describe swift or changeable behavior. Mercury's symbolism is associated with intelligence, often linked to the brain and cognitive function. In metaphysical contexts, Mercury's energy is believed to enhance perception, intellect, and quick response. In alchemy, Mercury, Quicksilver, represents the spirit, bridging the earthly and divine. Mercury is often used symbolically in psychology to describe adaptability, wit, and communicative abilities. These facts cover a wide array of Mercury's associations, from mythological roots to its impact on science, literature, and human symbolism.